गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम देखते हैं फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस। फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस फॉर इन्वेस्टर्स, डिविडेंड्स एंड प्राइस चेंज ऑफ स्टॉक आर टू मोस्ट important components for return. In fundamental analysis, an analyst essentially examines the economic environment, industry performance and company performance before making an investment in the stock market. It is a three-step examination. A fundamental analyst makes its use to arrive at the intrinsic value of firms' securities. If the intrinsic value is found to be more than the prevailing, means current market price, the investor buy the stock. Examination of the economic environment, it is the first step, involves understanding of the macroeconomic environment and developments. And the second step is analyzing the prospectus of the industry to which a firm belongs. It involves examination of the supply and demand forces with reference to products offered, substitute products, industry cycles, and so on. Assessing the projected performance of the company, it is the third step. It involves an examination of financial data, management policies, business vision, competitive strength of the company. Fundamental analysts first concentrate themselves on national economy, then analyze the industry performance, and finally the individual companies within an industry. This approach is sometimes referred to as top-down approach in fundamental analysis. This is also known as economy, industry, company, means EIC framework. Now we see economic analysis. What is the economic analysis? The aim of economic analysis is to predict the direction of national economy, means to determine whether the economic climate is conducive for the growth of business sector, particularly the capital market. When the economy expands, most of the industries and companies are expected to benefit and grow. When the economy declines, most of the industry and company expect facing survival problems. In economic analysis, we analyze the movement of economic variables like GDP, monetary policies, inflation, interest rate, savings and investment pattern, tax structure, etc. And then study their relationship with expectation on stock market performance, both long term and short term. These relationships are then used by investors to select the right investments. Now we see the tools for economic analysis. There are various tools used for performing economic analysis. These are growth rate of gross domestic product, means GDP, industrial growth rate, savings and investments, inflation, interest rates, monetary policy and liquidity, fiscal policy, tax structure, infrastructure facilities, बैड डेट डेफिसिट, फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट, एक्सचेंज रेट एंड बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट डेफिसिट। इनको हम डिटेल में देखेंगे बाद में, तो फिर आपको और समझ में आ जाएगा